Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechTube. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a song to the top on Spotify playlist. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Spotify app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in. Now on your screen, you can see there are options like all music and podcasts at the top and home search and your library at the bottom. At the bottom right corner, select your library and select the playlist that has the song you want on top. I'm gonna select this. Now all I have to do is tap on that three-dot menu right beside Invite Collaborators button, which is below the playlist name. Tap on it and select Edit. Once you do that, you can see there is three-line menu right beside the songs at the right side. Now all I have to do is select the song I want on top and drag the song by tapping on that three-line menu right beside it and taking it to the top. Now all I have to do is tap on save and I'm gonna get that song at the top of the playlist. And guys, that's it. That's how you get a song to the top on Spotify playlist. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.